National Weather Service in Detroit, Pontiac has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Lenawee County in southeastern Michigan until 7 p.m. At 5:39 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Ann Arbor to near Cement City to near Quincy, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near Addison and Cement City around 5:45 p.m. Clinton and Instead around 5:50 p.m. Tecumseh around 6 p.m. Hudson, Britton, and Clayton around 6:10 p.m. Adrian around 6:15 p.m. Deerfield around 6:30 p.m. Blissfield around 6:35 p.m. Other locations impacted by these severe thunderstorms include Seneca, Manitou Beach, Devil's Lake, Macon, Lime Creek, Munson, Ogden Center, Canandaigua, Ridgeway, Palmyra, and Tipton. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7 p.m. for the following counties: Lenawee, Michigan,